Company X's average or arithmetic mean attendance for the first 3 or 4 conference days is 85 persons. If Company X wants to raise the average attendance to the conference for all days by 12 persons, how many persons must attend the conference on the 4th day? Well, it's very important to notice that the arithmetic mean attendance for the first 3 days being 85 means that the sum of those first 3 days of attendance will be 85 times 3, according to the definition of mean, right? If mean equals the sum divided by the number of elements, it follows that the sum equals the mean multiplied by the number of elements. So this is it, the attendance of the first 3 days. Let's say that the attendance on the last day is L. So the sum of these two values should be the total attendance for the 4 days of the event. But according to the problem, the average attendance for the whole event, that means for 4 days, is expected to be 2 persons better than 85 persons. That is, say, an average of 87 persons per day. And if this is the expected average for the whole attendance, then it follows that the total attendance expected should be 87 times 4, since this could give you the total sum if the average is 87. So all you need to do is just clear the value of L by doing this subtraction, but here you don't actually need to operate, because 87 times 4 is a number finished in 8, because 7 times 4 is 28. 85 times 3 ends in 5, because 5 times 3 is 15. And the subtraction between two numbers ended in 8 and 5, it should be a number ended in 3. So this one must be the correct answer. Okay, that's it. One word to be mentioned here is you can use always this technique for quick calculation instead of doing whole operation. You can try to focus on predicting the last digit of the result. Since for doing that, all you need is just focus on the last digit of every factor and term in the whole operation. That gives you extra speed at the time of arriving at the correct answer choice, since problem solving, more than 90% of the times, the correct answer is different from the others just by the last digit.